the next hour, he'll be out of here. He did say it.
So he's climbing to the bow to attach it.
If you can get him flipped around straight, he might be able to pull him out.
Well, why isn't he going around, like out into the deep and from that side? You know what I'm saying?
Maybe he will now that he's attached.
I think, because otherwise he's going to jerk him around sideways. That doesn't make sense.
For some reason, it's giving him a lot more line.
This is a very odd situation. Sea-toad would be
on the left side here. They'd be over
and
there.
Yeah, that's like the AAA. I love them.
20 feet past him is where it
I
gets
can't
deep
tell
again.
you. Ah! What the fudge? That scared me. They're gonna jerk him? He's really gonna pull him from that side when it's attached to the bow? You're kidding. Oh my god, he's gonna fall. This guy's gonna fall.
Everybody sit down and hang tight.
Oh my god. He's really gonna pull him from that side?
Ooh, that was a big fish.
That scared me.
Gotta be kidding me.
I don't know. That's crazy. I hope he's got insurance.
Oh, guaranteed to have insurance.
He can't pull it from that side. That's so stupid. Not when it's attached to the bow.
He might be able to turn it around straight. He's probably got a clue.
What the fudge? He's trying to pull it from over here by the bow. Going this way.
There it goes. It's tight.
Oh my god, is it tight?
Right now.
Oh my god.
It is moving.
How is it not like twisting around? Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Oh my god.
He's got a lot of force on that.
Jesus. Oh my god.
Strong rope.
What an
Why would he get on
idiot.
it so hard though right now?
Because he's got to. That boat's so small in comparison to that big ass boat. That's
Look,
it's a light
look,
boat,
it's
but
not moving. It stopped
why?
because he hit
What'd he hit?
some more of the sandbar.
Are you freaking kidding me?
Now it's gonna get deep and he'll be all right.
He should be able to get out of that because he's
Right
flat bottom.
now, see,
Yeah,
look.
there he goes.
He just
Oh, yeah, okay. This is a freaking train wreck.
He's smarter than your dad.
OMG.
He's got
This is
it.
entertaining. Well, at least he got him out. I can't believe it. I can't believe he pulled it from the bow. I thought the whole thing was going to, like, yeah, kind of like whiplash around sort of thing, because he went really pretty fast.
Yeah, he did. He went a lot faster.
That was crazy. Like, I would have said, slow down, you know, like, do it a little bit carefully.
Yeah, with a little more.
Because I'm not trying to rip my hole out.
Instead of force.
You know what I'm saying? Right. Didn't make sense. I don't know.
Instead of force.
Indeed.